Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to extract photos from a video in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and upload your video by clicking on Uploads, and then click on Upload Files. Here you can choose any video that you'd like to upload, and then just wait for it to be uploaded to your Canva. Or you can also just open files again and then drag this photo right here and it will be copied right there. And then all you have to do right now is to pause the video according to how you would, um, according to which frame you want to save as a photo. For example, I want to save this frame as a photo. And now what I'm going to do is to click on share, click on download, and then click on save this as JPG. And then what this is going to do is to save this video file in this exact frame as a photo. So now just hit on download and wait for it to be downloaded. And that's it. That's how you extract photos from a video in Canva.